Hey there! Is your Books app having trouble downloading ebooks or getting stuck halfway? Don't stress. In this video, I'm here to help you tackle this issue on your iPhone. So, let's jump right in without wasting any time. First things first, let's ensure your internet is working smoothly. To do this, open up any browser you want. Then visit a link of your choice and check if the page loads properly. If it doesn't, then go ahead and turn on airplane mode for a few seconds before turning it back off. After that, take a look and see if the issue is resolved. Solution 1. Enable cellular data for books. Start by opening your Settings app. Then scroll down to the very bottom. Next, tap on Apps. After that, select Books from the list. Now toggle on the option for cellular data. Finally, check if this step has fixed the issue. Solution 2. Uninstall and reinstall the Books app. For this solution, open your Settings app once again. Then tap on General. Next, select iPhone Storage. Now locate Books and tap on it. After that, select Delete App. Then confirm by tapping Delete App again. And open up the App Store. Search for Apple Books. Then go ahead and download it again. Finally, check if this resolves the issue. Solution 3. Reset network settings. To do this, open the Settings app again. Next, scroll down and find General, then tap on it. Now scroll down a bit further and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Then tap on Reset and select Reset network settings. Lastly, tap on Reset network settings to confirm. Now your network settings will be reset, and hopefully this will fix the issue. So everyone, that's how you can resolve the problem of the Books app not downloading or getting stuck on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give that like button a click. And if you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thanks for tuning in.